Put it in, put it in. Oh gosh, that's what she said, and look what happened. Hi guys! Okay, so today is the day that we have to pack baby's hospital bag because I am 39 weeks pregnant. I have, what is it, 27, 28, 29, 30, 4 days before this baby gets here. I think it's about time to pack this hospital bag. Oh my god, I'm gonna have 200. This is a baby bump. Okay, so I'm gonna pack everything in my Puma gym bag. Let's see how that goes. Let's just start with myself, the things that I'm gonna need. Before I leave, I'm gonna pack my bonnet and my robe. I'm gonna need a towel. I'm gonna pack my going home outfit. I have my nightgown and then I have like my pajama set. Okay, so I have these flip-flops that I'm gonna use in the hospital showers. I have my toiletry bag. In this little compartment, I have my rags, extra underwear, 2 nursing bras. I'm gonna bring like, what do you call that? Like, it's like some shorts, like for, what do you call that? Like some compression shorts. What are you doing? Can I help you? Can I help you? Do you want to say hi? Say hi. In this compartment right here, I have like some makeup that I'm gonna bring. My skin tint, makeup mist, highlighter, bronzer, concealer, eyebrow pencil, and some primer. Yeah. Then I have all my toiletries. So I have my toothbrush, my makeup remover wipes, I have toothpaste, my face wash, my deodorant, my shampoo, my lotion, my Listerine. I have extra contacts. What else? I got my little stretch mark cream, some water wipes in there. All the little toiletry stuff. I mean, we got it right in here. I love this. Okay, so I'm gonna bring my extension cord. This is perfect because I'm gonna bring my computer, tablet, my camera, my phone that I need to charge. I have my belly bands and these are the ones that I'm gonna use. It's like a 3-part belly band thing. So I have some paperwork that I'm gonna give to the hospital. I have my water bottle that I'm gonna bring. I have to bring this to stay hydrated. Carry bottle. Even though I'm gonna wear my contacts, I'm gonna bring my glasses for just in case. Okay, I think that's all for me. We're gonna need a car seat cover. We don't know what the temperature is gonna be like. We live in Canada, so it's very bipolar over here. I'm gonna bring some clippers. I'm gonna bring my nipple cream. And I'm thinking about also packing my breast pump because I wanna get a head start on pumping. So we're gonna pack some baby stuff. So we're gonna pack some rags, burp cloths, hats. I'm gonna pack 2 outfits, 1 blanket and 1 swaddle blanket. There we go. Okay, I decided that instead of bringing my gym bag, I'm gonna bring like this little carry-on because I feel like it will be much easier for baby daddy to carry because I'm not holding nothing. Okay, I'm the queen. I'm gonna need my scrunchie for sure. A mirror. I think we forget this sometimes. I could do my makeup in the bed if I want to. Can you tell I'm pregnant? Is there anything else I'm missing? Okay, so after doing all of that, y'all, I ripped my damn carry-on. It's because the carry-on is too small and I think I have too much items in there, and then I still didn't even pack my computer and my tablet and all that electronic stuff. I didn't even pack those stuff in here yet, and look, it already ripped. I still bring it. Huh? Even though it's like ripped a little bit there. I don't care, man. I'm just gonna bring it. I don't care. And that's it. I'm done. I'm tired now. Tired. That's all. Bye.
Bye.